My name's Hilary Morioki. I come from MNATOL. What we do in MNATOL, we are trying to reduce child mortality rates via mobile technology. We said daily and weekly tips to pregnant mothers, that is concerning unborn babies and born babies from the age 0 to 1 year. I came across MIVP program through a friend who happened to be my team member in MIVP program. He's called Mr. George Mwangi. The experience is awesome because from an idea to something that is really working, it was a program that has really transformed the way we see ideas, the way we are supposed to execute them, and the way we are supposed even to sell them outside there. The coaching session really impressed me, because I remember at this moment we had a problem in getting the content that we were really looking for, actually from South Africa. And I remember our advisor coming in and telling us that she will help us. Me as a developer, I was told to get out of the building, not to like fall in love with my laptop. There is difference between coding and what the users really want. So that bit of being advised and encouraged to get out of the building was really very impressive. As being in that program, there is this fact that every week we're supposed to give a report, a presentation report, which could really motivate us into like acting. We have a product that the users want. Number two, we have some mothers already subscribed to our database, and they are getting those weekly tips on weekly basis. I really talk about MIVP. I really talk about it because that's where our mentors are. That's where our advisors are. So MIVP to me, it's like a friend whom I can't leave. Thanks to MLab actually for what you do, you guys. I will tell people that MIVP was for free. We were not charged anything. We've been trained. We've been told so many things. We've learned so many things. Great people we've met. We've networked just for free. It's only you as a developer. You have an idea, bring it to MIVP, and it will be something that is really working. Yeah. So thanks so much to MLab.